Before you get started, the most important part is promoting your loyalty program, using in-store marketing materials, social media, and be sure to ask every customer if they have registered to your loyalty program. You'll access the LoyalZoo software from your payment terminal on your home screen and sign up customers in one of two ways. Starting from the LoyalZoo app on your device, simply add customers by typing their phone number or email into the LoyalZoo search box. Then select whether your customer wants to pay with card or cash. After closing the payment, customers will automatically receive points, issuing 1 point per pound spent to their email or in SMS. Alternatively, for payment card transactions only, start in your payment app and complete the payment. A check-in screen will appear before your customer, asking them to add their email or phone number to join your loyalty program. Just like before, customers will automatically receive points, issuing 1 point per pound spent to their email or in SMS once the payment is complete. Customers who make payment with their payment card and provide an email or phone number will have their payment card acting as their loyalty card for future purchases, ensuring any transactions made with their payment card will have loyalty points issued automatically. Eligible rewards and promotions will be highlighted in yellow in the customer's profile, which is accessible from the LoyalZoo digital loyalty app on your home screen. Tap highlighted rewards to redeem. The customer's payment will automatically have the reward applied, and it will also be deducted from the customer's loyalty profile. Use the pencil icon to edit the customer's profile and add rapport building notes. Customers will also have icons displaying whether they are new, VIP, or slipping away, so be sure to treat these customers with extra special care. Tap the transaction history button in the customer's profile to view past points and rewards issued. Now continue to build your customer list, and when you have a healthy amount of customers in your loyalty program, use the LoyalZoo marketing tools to reach back out to customers and drive them back in store.